Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you and your loved one will be safe and sound. Today's our topic is grammar skills, and it's a and today our focus will be on a paragraph writing on hard work. It's a quotation: hard work beats talent. It means we can say that it's a also a proverb. Hard work beats talent. If a person who works hard can get every goal of his life, यानी कि एक शख्स है जो मेहनती है, जो एक ज़हीन शख्स है, उसको पीछे छोड़ सकता है. In short, in other words, we can say that a person who is hardworking can get more success than an intelligent person. Okay, dear students, today we will write a paragraph, and I'm sharing some hints that will help you to write a paragraph. Bright future. If a person who is a hard work, he has a bright future. A person who works hard can differentiate between hardworking and idle person. Hard work brings happiness in our life. Hard work makes us independent, and we get rid of all kinds of the problem. Hard work is the key to success. Increase our confidence. It means when we do hard work, we increase our confidence, and when we have the powerful confidence or strong confidence, then we can get success in our life very easily. Increase our respect. If a person who is a hardworking, he increases his respect. If we do hard work, we increase our respect in the society. When we do hard work, we develop different ways to success. Okay, we can also quote an example of a hardworking student of our own class, of a different classes. A hardworking person, if a student is hardworking, he has a lot of the opportunity to get success in his life. He always gets good remarks, he performs well, he prepares his test well. Increase our chances of success. Yes, if a person who does hard work, he has some more chances of success in his life. Easy way to achievement. The very easy way to achievements, to get the achievement in his life, it's a hard work. Without hard work, we can't get the achievement goals. एंड हार्ड वर्क इज़ अ प्राइस दैट वी पे फॉर सक्सेस इन लाइफ. हार्ड वर्क क्या है? एक ऐसी प्राइस है जो हम अपनी लाइफ में सक्सेस हासिल करने के लिए पे करते हैं. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई शेयर सम hints points. You have to use these points, and you may increase points from your own side for writing the paragraph. Okay, here are some sentences that will help you for writing the paragraph. Hard work is the most important key to success. Achievements without hard work are impossible. Yes. An idle person can never gain anything if they sit and wait for a better opportunity to come. यानी कि एक सुस्त रहने वाला, यानी कि एक मेहनत ना करने वाला शख्स है, वो अगर बैठा रहता है और वेट करता है कि एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी आए, तो ऐसा मुमकिन नहीं कि वो कि सक्सेस उसको मिल सके. The person who is working hard is able to gain success and happiness in life. यानी कि एक शख्स जो मेहनत करता है, वो उसके लिए क्या चांसेस है सक्सेस मिले, उसको ज़िंदगी में खुशी मिले. नथिंग इज ईजी टू बी अचीव इन लाइफ विदाउट डूइंग एनी हार्ड वर्क. यस, द हार्ड वर्क इज अ प्राइस दैट वी पे for success in life. Dear students, you have to write the paragraph in you have to write all the sentences in one paragraph, and you can use these sentences and you can use your own sentences, but I share some sentences for your ease and your satisfaction, so that your work become easy. Take care of yourself and your loved one. Allah Hafiz.